So boom. This is from Ishow. I actually love this bag. This is the first time I'm seeing this bag from this company, but it's not the first time that I've been working with this company. So this is what comes in the little pouch. You have your wig and some goodies. What is this? Oh, it looks like a wig stand and a wig cap with a clip and an edge brush. Let me open it. And wig cap, but yeah, so edge brush. Oh, this is a wig hanger, so you can hang it up and put it in your closet. Okay, that's so cool. So let's get into the wig. Okay, so this 26 inches. Does it say what texture it is? It does not, but let's open it to see what she is. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, I want to say that this might be a loose wave, a loose deep wave. I don't know, but I'll have the information down below in the description box for you guys. But this is definitely one of those wigs that comes kind of ready to wear for you because the lace is already cut. And I think these wigs are popular because the girlies that do not like to cut lace and like to just throw wigs on, this is for you, right? But for me, I don't mind the extra lace, and I am definitely gonna go in and bleach these knots. Now, they look like they were kind of bleached. You can kind of tell where it's brown a little bit, but I still see some knots, so I'm gonna go in and bleach them. But this is the wig, and it feels so soft. It feels like butter. Okay, now this is 26 inches, so we're gonna just see how that is after we wash it. It does have an elastic band, and it does have the Ishow logo on it. And you do have clips or combs and adjustable straps as well. So this is pre-plucked. You probably don't have to go in and pluck it, but okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go straight into washing this wig. You want to make sure that your wigs are washed because it's coming from overseas factories. We don't know, what products they use. So you want to just make sure that your wig is thoroughly cleaned. So I'm going to use Aussie Moist to shampoo my wig. I love this shampoo. It just smells wonderful, okay? And then I do deep condition with silicone mix. I don't think I'll show you that on camera, but you guys know that that's my jam. I'm just going to make sure that the wig is lathered and it's just clean. So that's what I'm doing right here. I do condition the wig off camera. I did use silicone mix. I always use silicone mix, so you guys never have to question that. That is my go-to conditioner when it comes to making sure my wigs last forever. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into adding some baby hairs. This wig is already customized, so you do not have to do a whole bunch of work, which is wonderful. You do not have to pluck or anything. So I'm just going to mold the hairline back and just pull a few hairs forward, cut them and mold them down so I can sit this unit under the dryer. So once the baby hairs are ready and set, I'm going to take some Got to Be Free spray. I'm going to spray the hairline. And then use some wrapper strips to wrap the hairline down, and then she's ready for the dryer. So let's do this install. I'm gonna cut some of the lace off. I just felt like it was a little bit too much lace on this unit for me per se, but I'm gonna apply this unit onto my head so I can just see how it's fitting. This unit It did run a little bit small. I am a 22.5, 23. So if you are around my head size, and I do have a lot of hair underneath, I will say this wig did fit a little bit snug. So you might want to contact the company and see if you could get a larger wig, or and if you're a smaller head size, then this will be the perfect wig for you. I'm using Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I'm gonna put that all over the lace so it can blend in with my natural skin tone. As you see, I don't have any makeup on today, so I just want to do the little light a little light makeup around the perimeter so it could just blend in. And yeah, so right now I'm going to show you the wig is completely glueless. It has no product on it whatsoever. Now, normally I would say blow dry this till it's dry, but it's a closure. It's already having pressure from it being a closure around my head, so I didn't blow dry it. I did go in with my Kiss spray, and I sprayed my hairline. I did let it dry, and this is what she's looking like. She's looking milty. She's looking like it's scalp. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my spritz, lay those baby hairs down, and then I'm gonna just basically touch up the hairline with my pressing comb, and just make sure that the top of the wig is just super flat. I do love Boho Liquid Gold. It is a easy product to use. It's also water based, so if you are a person that does not like the sticky white or clear glues, this is a product for you, because since it's water based, you can take your wig off daily and reapply it. All right, so that's one reason why I love me some Liquid Gold. But what do you think about this loose texture and this glueless wig? I think I love her, especially in the 26 inches. And I love textures like this because you could alternate from having wavy hair and straight hair. So again, this wig is from Ishow. I will have everything that I use listed down below in the description box, including this wig. And until next time, bye best friends.